What's up, people? Finesse Monster Activist Bull. Like Biggie Smalls says, if you don't know, now you know. The stock market is rigged against retail investors, the everyday sincere investors trying to make a buck for their family. If you're investing or planning on investing in a stock that is heavily shorted by short sellers or has a high presence of retail investors, be ready for manipulation, because the bad actors in the markets, short sellers, market makers, are making money off of retail investors trading off emotions. The psychology of the market is for them to get rich off retail trading.
Why can't you rely on technical analysis and charts alone to have results on the market?
I think you can't have, not because there's anything wrong with charts and fundamentals. I mean, if you're going to trade or buy equities or trade indices or gold or, Forex or anything for that matter, it's the intelligent thing to do. I should look at charts and I should look at fundamentals. The problem you have there, which I discovered very early in my trading, is that everybody else is looking at the same charts and the same fundamentals. And the market is looking at the same charts and the fundamentals. The market knows you as a retail trader is looking at that chart, and you're going to buy at a certain level, and you're going to sell at a certain level. They know, they predict what you're going to do, so they do the opposite, because if they don't, they're not going to take your money. So you're bound to lose if you're just relying on technical analysis on fundamentals, because they know exactly what chart you're looking at. The millions of people looking at the same chart. Oh, I've looked at the charts. I know where it's going to be a sell and a buy. No, because they know that. They see the same chart. They're not going to give it to you. If they give it to you, if they let you buy it at that level, then they're not going to take your money. They're there to take your money.
So are the markets rigged?
100% they're rigged, because it's rigged. Yes? If it was left to like supply and demand and this trader buying that or that rumor coming from there, it would go up and down and go nowhere, and nobody would make money. It wouldn't be a market worth trading on. And I would say try to figure out the macro geopolitical agendas and the psychology of the market, rather than the technical and fundamental analysis.
Trying to figure out the psychology of the markets in each particular stock that you're trying to invest in is very critical for investors in today's market. You cannot rely on the technical analysis. You cannot rely on the self-reported data that they give us every single day. It could be used as a reference or a general idea, but like he said in the video, these short sellers and market makers are going to do the complete opposite of what retail investors are planning to do. Learn the psychology of the market that's built against retail investors. That means stop loss rating. That means naked shorting or failure to deliver. That means spoofing. Certain times paid bashers raid a stock's message board. And what the short sellers are doing as far as borrowed short shares on a daily basis, as well as failure to deliver when they occur, what stock price, then key levels that they are targeting for the stock price to drop below, because more often than not, the short sellers will crack it below key levels that retail investors are expecting a bounce off of, just so they can create panic. Then it will bounce right back above that level. I encourage you all to take this information and apply it to whatever stock you choose to invest in. And I know there are some that have been profitable during a down market and manipulation. I applaud you. Keep doing what you're doing. I hope in this video I was able to help someone out, and I will catch you guys in the next one. I'm gone.
Blessed in abundance. Look who raised from the dungeon.